How to redeem Zepeto codes. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Zepeto codes. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to redeem your Zepeto codes in iPhone or PC, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.web.zepeto.me/coupon. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, enter the code on the coupon registration page that you see here. Make sure that the code is composed of 1 to 16 alphabetic uppercase characters. Only the users who have registered as members can register their code while logged into Zepeto account. Also, the details of the items, coins, and gems that are paid from coupon registration can be viewed in the gift box. Once registered, the code cannot be registered again. And lastly, an expired coupon cannot be redeemed. So, this is how you can redeem Zepeto codes. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorial. See you on the next one.